Hi class 11, let's continue our class. So today we'll start new chapter number 3, right? So write down chapter number 3, third chapter. Sorry, chapter number 3. So here we have trigonometric function, okay? Trigonometric function. So you know function, isn't it? Now we'll start with trigonometry, okay? Whatever we have done in class 10, whatever trigonometry you have done is also applicable in this chapter, okay? And we'll study more about the trigonometric relation and function, okay? So first write down angles. So angles, you know, this is our angle, isn't it? This is called vertex, isn't it? And these are called arms, okay? And if you go like this, then this is your positive angle, okay? And this is your initial side, and this is your final or terminal side, okay? So from here, if you go like this, what is this? Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. You'll get positive angles, okay? Positive angles. Right. And if you go from initial point clockwise, this is your clockwise, isn't it? Now you should be proper with direction also, okay? So this is your clockwise, so you'll get clockwise, you'll get negative angles, right? Clear? So these are called arms, these are called the angle, isn't it? This is theta, okay? Angle theta, okay? So those are the angles, okay? And this is your initial side and final side, so you have to turn, okay? Otherwise you'll not get the angle measure, okay? Clear? So now next topic is your degree measure, okay? Degree measure. So write down degree measure. So next topic is your degree measure. Degree measure. So that angle, whatever we done, positive or negative, we can measure in some unit. First unit is called degree measure, isn't it? So this is initial point. If you go around and take one revolution and comes to the same initial position, okay, then 1 by 368th of this is your 1 degree, okay, equals to 1 degree, okay? Clear? Around a point he will make 360, okay? So 1 of that 360 degree is your 1 degree. Clear? So next write down this degree measure is also written in 1 degree is always equals to 60 minute, okay? This dash means minute, okay? So कति मिनट हुन्छ एक राउन्ड घुम्दाखेरि 60 मिनट हुन्छ, that is your 1 degree. And this 1 minute is also equals to 60 second, okay? 60 second हुन्छ नि 1 minute मा. So 1 degree equals to 60 minute, and 1 minute equals to 60 second, okay? That is your degree measure, okay? So you'll get degree like this, okay? 45, 60, isn't it? 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, isn't it? So next type of you can measure the angle with the help of radian measure, okay? And this is some you have learned, but second is your radian measure. So radian measure is nothing but, you know, this, the arc of a circle can subtend some angle at the center of a circle, isn't it? This is your arc, this is your arc, and this is center of circle, isn't it? If you imagine, so arc of a circle sustains some angle at the center, okay, and this is come in radian measure, okay. So if I take unit circle, that means radius equals to 1, isn't it? So circumference of circle, CIRCUN, here circumference of circle equals to how much? Circle equals to how much? 2 pi r. If r equals to 1, that is your unit circle, so how much will get 2 pi. So if you go like this and comes and stop at this point, initial point, then you will make 2 pi radian, okay. This is called 2 pi radian, like. And next, you know this one, isn't it? Arc of the circle and the radius will sustain an angle theta. You also know this equals to how much? L by r, isn't it? So theta equals to how much? L by r, isn't it? So length of the arc equals to how much? R theta, isn't it? You have done this in class 9 also, isn't it? So what means some angle will, it will sustain, and that equals to how much? L by r. So whatever r is there, isn't it? So next is your relation between radian and real number, okay. This is nothing but just see. Next topic is your relation between between radian and real number, okay. Relation between radian and real number. Now you should be exclusive, or you should be precise over the unit, okay, like unit. Clear? So let's check. Sorry. So now if I take a unit circle, clear, with center O and the point E on the circle, okay. If I draw a tangent to the point E, I'll get this type of tangent, isn't it? So if I take this as 0, then this side is how much? Origin. If I take origin, Cartesian product, so Cartesian form, so this is your positive, and this will be your negative 1, negative 2, isn't it? So if you round over this, then you'll get some values, isn't it, on the number line, real number line. This is a real number line, isn't it? Real number line. So this is your relationship between the angle measure, that is your radian, and real number, okay. So if you do like this, then if you bend like this one, you'll get some values. Over here 1, over here 2, again minus 2 is here, minus 2, then this is your minus 1, okay. Clear? This is the relation between radian and the real number, okay. Now comes important things, that is a relationship between degree and radian, okay. This is very important, between degree and radian. Degree products are radian, DEGRE, degree and radian. So book खोलेर पढ्दा अलिक मजाले, अलिक बुझेन भने बुक खोलेर हेर, then you'll understand properly, okay. Or if still confused, then tell me, okay, I'll explain again, okay. So now write down degree and radian, isn't it? 2 pi radian equals to how much? 2 pi radian equals to 360 degrees, isn't it? Yes or no? So pi radian equals to how much? 360 by 2 equals to how much? 180 degree. So pi radian equals to 180 degree, okay. So you can find, okay, so you can find by this degree and radian. Okay, so value of pi is 22 by 7 you should take. So 1 radian equals to how much? 1 radian equals to 180 degree divided by pi, isn't it? From here 1 radian equals to how much? Pi ले त के गर्यो डिवाइड गरिदियो. Okay, so फेरि 1 degrees if you want, then how much degree you want, isn't it? So pi divided by 180 degree. This relation, see, from this relation, okay, we got this too. Clear? So hope you understood. Then comes the value of this equals to if you put 22 by 7, okay, value of pi, then you will get 57 degree 16 minute. Okay, and this is your 0.01746 radian. Okay, so now to understand this we have notation convention. Okay, so next page, see page number 53, there is your notation convention. Okay, so let me start that one. Okay, wait, okay, sorry. So let me rub this one. Okay, so now write down notation. यसरी खोज्दा के हुन्छ, लामो हुन्छ. Okay, so now onwards, if you measure an angle in a theta, then we'll call it degree measure. Okay, if you measure in theta, then you will call it degree. Okay, then if you write beta, then that is your radian. Okay, for convention. Okay, sign convention भन्ने पढेको थिएन. This is your notation convention. Okay, so radian measure, that is your beta, equals to how much? Pi by 180 into degree measure. So this is your radian measure. Just write radian measure that is your beta, isn't it? So next, degree measure that is your theta, isn't it? Equals to 180 divided by pi into radian measure. Okay, radian measure. Clear? So now let's convert. Okay, I'll convert to, okay, then you'll do. Okay, so let's convert. Okay, let's change the degree to radian to degree measure. First write down convert 40 degree 20 minute into radian measure. Okay, so write down, we know what we know. We know 180 degree equals to how much? Pi, isn't it? Radian. Pi FC radian my also. Okay, so 40 degree 20 minute equals to how much? 41 by 3 degree, isn't it? 20 minute means if you 3 times, then you will get 60, isn't it? So this degree, isn't it? So so now what happens? Degree measure, isn't it? So you need radian, isn't it? So radian measure equals to how much? Pi by 180. Yes, pi by 180 into degree measure, isn't it? Degree measure. So this is your pi by 180 into this, how much will you get? write down 41/3. This is how much? Pi by 180 into 40 into 3, 12, 1 2 1 2 0 plus 1 1 2 1 divided by 3, isn't it? So write down this into this 1 2 1 pi divided by 3, 3 8s are 4 2 5. So this is your radian measure. Okay, so next convert radian into degree measure. 6 radian into degree measure, isn't it? So next what to do? 6 radian into degree measure into degree measure. So we know, right on, we know pi radian, pi equals to 180 degrees, isn't it? Yes or no? So 6 radian equals to how much? 6 radian degree measure. Okay, so কি করতে পারছো? degree measure লেখা, degree measure equals to how much? आगे की थी pi by, so 180 by pi into radian measure. So how much will you get? 180 by pi into 6, isn't it? So this will get if you put the value of pi, how much will you get? Put the value of pi, 180 divided by pi, how much? 22 by 7 into 6. So 7 comes off 42 divided by, so this equals to 180 into 6 into 7 divided by 22. This equals to how much? You'll get if you multiply this, you'll get 1080 into 7 by 22 degree. So how much will you get? Now you'll get this, if you divide, then you'll get 3437 by 11. 7 is your remainder. Okay, degree. So if you cut this 2, then you'll get, this is your 11, so you'll get this much. Okay, so next, so 343 is your degree. So 7 by 11 means what? 7 by 11 means what? Plus 7 by 11, so 7 into 60 by 11 minute. Okay, this means 60, you'll get 38, isn't it? If you divide, then 2 by, yes, so this will, you'll get 343 plus 38 minute plus 2 by 11 second. Okay, so 2 by 11 second means 10 point this one, so approximately this one. Okay, clear? So now exercise 3.1 करो, 25 डिग्री लाई के बनाओ, रेडियन मेजर बनाओ. सो रेडियन यो फर्मुला गरेर सबै गर्न सक्छ. ओके, डु इट, द्याट इज योर होमवर्क. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्लास विल स्टार्ट ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन. ओके, so Anusa, where are you? Okay, so thank you class, this much for today's